Welcome to the future of compact capability. This is the 2026 Ford Maverick Tremor all-wheel drive. Powered by a 2.0-liter EcoBoost engine and an automatic transmission, this truck is ready for any adventure. It is finished in a stunning Orange Fury metallic TC and comes loaded with top-tier features like a 360-degree camera, a massive 13.2-inch liquid crystal display touchscreen, and a premium B&O audio system. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall, right here in Abbotsford. If you want to turn heads from the streets of Mission to the trails of the Fraser Valley, this Maverick Tremor is built for you. Whether you're heading out for a weekend adventure or navigating the daily commute through Abbotsford, this truck combines style with serious utility. Inside, you'll find a refined black onyx interior with heated front seats and a heated steering wheel to keep you comfortable during those chilly British Columbia mornings. The cabin also features an 8-inch productivity screen, ambient lighting, and a second-row bench flip-up seat with under-seat storage for all your gear. For those who love the open air, this model includes the optional power moonroof and a power sliding rear window. On the outside, the Maverick is equipped with light-emitting diode headlamps, auto high beams, and an acoustic laminate windshield for a quieter ride. The bed is highly functional with enclosed storage, pickup box light-emitting diode lighting, and a power tailgate lock. To ensure you're ready for the terrain, it features skid plates and tow hooks. You also have the convenience of power-heated mirrors and front intermittent wipers for our local weather. A common question people ask is, what features help the Maverick perform in off-road conditions? Based on the specific equipment for this vehicle, this Tremor model is prepared for the path less traveled with trail control, selectable drive modes, and a transmission oil cooler to maintain performance. You also get the added confidence of adaptive cruise control, front and rear park sensors, and pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking. With intelligent access and push-button start, getting on the road is easier than ever. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.